Testing 1, 2, 3. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani. As usual, we have the technical session number 169. Uh, our subject is Gounite concrete today on the form of material, uh, civil construction material official channel. So before going on, I would like to request you to like the video, subscribe it, share it in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So as we discussed previously in the different types of the concrete, everywhere the concrete durability and the life design on the 100 years parameters. So all of these raw materials and all the precautions and all the uh, basic parameters should comply the international standard and the uh, concern standards. So what is the Gounite concrete? Gounite concrete is a mixed form of the separate concrete. Gounite typically only the contains fine particulars in this mix, while the concrete contains both larger and the small pieces. Mostly the Gounite is similar to the shotcrete, but the mixed design ratio and the blend percentage and all other some parameters are little different than the secrete and versus the Gounite. The Gounite builders loads have the pre-mixed dry materials into the delivery equipments. Compressed air is then sent through the nozzle where the mix with the water. Gounite is a process used in the construction, in the slope stabilization, and the various other rehabilitation purposes for the construction of the concrete wall, water returning structural, and the concrete repair work. So there is question that what is the Gounite concrete in the civil engineering? In civil engineering, the cement based on the sand, mortar, and with the spread into a formwork wall or by the compressed of the ejector, giving the very heavy pressure strong to the concrete layer and compaction in used to repair the reinforced concrete to the line tunnels and the mine, whatever it is required. So, what is the difference between the Gounite and the shotcrete? The difference between the Gounite and the shotcrete mixes with the water, and the shotcrete always refer to the wet mix where the already mixed with before the shotcrete is in the house. Gounite is a very dry concrete mixed with only the mixes of the water with the end of the nozzle and the being spread into the final surface. So Gounite is a original term coined by the uh, trademark in 1909 and the protected in the North California, and it is also mixed with by the pneumatic pressure from the gun, and hence it is into the gun. The term Gounite become the registered trademarks and between the equipments and the older manufacturers Gounite equipments. These are the main purpose of the name. So, what is the purpose of the Gounite concrete? It is the and what it is the used for the trade name and the spread concrete are the Gounite and the shotcrete. Gounite is a shotcrete where the alternative forms of the concrete distributed to the house and the into the heavy velocity and enable to reach the uh, pouring point surface such as the tunnel bridges and the swimming pools and the trend situation. In Gounite motor, the shotcrete is a sprayed concrete in a shape of the motor, alkaline aggregate, and pneumatic pressure, and also the pneumatic projected high velocity into the surface of the concrete Gounite first used in It was 1914. So since that time up to now, the Gounite concrete is very successful and the strength is very strong as compared to the traditional concrete. And the durability wise, the Gounite is the more stronger than the conventional concrete. So Gounite strength will equal to the exceed 85%, uh, 2125 psi of the design strength, where it is not less than the 75%, 1875 psi at 28 days. So refer to the ASTM C1436208 standard specification for the mortar and the shotcrete and the gunite. What is the abstract? The specification. This specification covers the materials used in the hydraulic cement concrete mixes to the place of the wet mix and the dry mix shotcreting, and it is does not show how it's cover the mixing, placement, curing protection, and the concrete spread by the connecting. So this is by force. It is compacted by the pneumatic pressure with a certain rate of the psi pressure or the bar units. The material used in the ingredients shall consist of the cement, aggregate, water, and the mineral are chemically mixed with the fibers. So testing numbers of the shall be performed on the specific material to ensure the quality of the materials as it is seems to be the confirmation of the relevant standard in either BS or ASTM or the DIN or whatever the standard required. There are every country have the different standard names, but in the end of the day, all the situation and all the parameters and all the testing uh, standard are the same. So this was the briefing about the Gounite concrete, and in next video we will meet each other with another subject related to the concrete, and then we will go to the another subjects simultaneously. So thank you very much and have a nice day. So take care.